Welcome back. We got some more tips on how to make your pets love you. This is Goose. He's my little guinea pig. Today, we're going to talk about a few different things, specifically about how to pet or sensitive areas in their body that the cats enjoy versus not enjoying and irritating them. So right at the base of the tail, if you just scratch that right there, most cats enjoy that. Also, long strokes, reminder that petting on the side when they're standing, not as good as down the back. Also, another thing to realize is that the top of their hands don't really do it for most cats. But if you rub your finger right inside between the toe beans, they definitely like that. All cats are different, and this is something you should test out to see if your cat likes. But overall, I found that cats like the in between the toes, between the paws, and the padding there. And you can just kind of rub that, play with it a little bit as a little nub.